back to the man in the machine. Wow, I'm kind of at a loss of words today. This will be a short video for you. It'll be nice and simple. We are at the Hennessey test track. Thank you, John Hennessey, for letting us be able to spectate. And we're here to see an SF90 take on a 765 LT on some nice drag runs. I don't know how long the track is, but either way, this should be a great day. Looking forward to seeing the result. I know you guys are as well. We also have Brooks from Dragtimes here, who's going to be the primary for sure on posting this wonderful result. But exciting times ahead. Let's go. That thing's hauling though. Didn't have much wheel spin at all. Test run.
Way the weather.
Yeah. SF90 with Ron. Pistolero on 5.
Okay, you have Travails on there? Yeah. Alright, so the stickiest tires you can get from Mclaren, we'll try and get them heated up. For sure. They need heat. So we'll do some rolling burnouts, see if I can get it heated up, see what our best quarter mile times is, and we'll do, I don't know, 3 to 5 dig races. We're going to do an arm drop with John counting down.
Ferrari took off for it.
This video is going to get a few views.
Oh yeah, it's a million plus.
get to see a lot of how the Mclaren 765LT will hold up against the Ferrari SF90. Man, it was kind of back and forth a little bit. Consistency was with the Ferrari for sure. You'll see on Brooks' channel, Dragtimes, he's got the data. He's got the real details. All I've got is some external footage and some drone footage. So I got some drone footage at least. But it was fun to be out here, hanging out with our friend in the Ferrari, and seeing Brooks show up to come make this happen, and be one of the first, be the first. I guess I'm the second, maybe. Follow, like, subscribe, let's go. Come on, we're gonna see more. Give us some comments. Tell Brooks to shout us out. I'm gonna get my hat. That looks dope, right? Hey.
As you can see, the car makes this kind of humming noise. Fun fact is the SF90 does not have a reverse gear. It uses the electric motors in the front wheels to go in reverse. I wonder how the battery was there we go.
Here goes an all battery 0 to 60 run.
Doesn't look real fast, I'm gonna admit. But it sure is quiet. I think I got him in the Ford Escape rental car. I think I got him.
Did it make it to 60?
I don't get the 60.
What you got?
9.
9.
Gotta say, hard to beat a day like today. Thanks, John Hennessey. Thanks, Brooks. Thanks, Sanjay. Thanks, Ali. Thanks, Ron, for getting us out here and watching this showdown happen. It was pretty epic to watch these guys go at it.
Racing, it's life. Anything that happened before or after